So, this is a tutorial for people who want to learn how to do the water drop sound using no hands. So this tutorial is for people who already know how to do the sound with their hands, but want to learn how to do it without. So if you could do like that, then this tutorial's for you. So there's two ways I do it. I do it using my throat, making the sound, and also clicking my tongue. So I'll show you both those noises right now. So clicking my tongue, and the throat. Just like that. And so both of them, they have the same timing as the flick. So if you're doing it the normal way, flicking it, it's the same timing, but instead of flicking, you're either doing the sound with your throat or you're clicking your tongue. And that's pretty much how I got started. And it really just takes a whole bunch of practice, just clicking your tongue and doing it using the same timing to get it down. So it's just like that. And just practice it. It's the same timing. So clicking your tongue is the normal way, just but right after the click you did the sound. So you did the, then the throat, you're just doing the like that. So you're just going just like that. And remember, it's the same timing. You're still moving your lips the same way. You're just using a different impact sound. So the impact sound for the flicking would be your finger hitting your cheek. So it'll be like that. For the clicking, it's the clicking making the impact sound down. And throat, it's your throat making the impact sound. So it's, and all three of those have the same timing, and you just takes practice, and it's really simple once you get the hang of it. But that's as much as I can help you. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments or anything, and I'll do my best to help you. All right.